Hi guys, this is Ms. Carvalho, and we're going to go through the topic 3 e-cart, the compare and order FDP summative check. So make sure you have a calculator ready because this was converting, right, and comparing and ordering them. So the first question looked like this. And it says that Daphne wrote the fractional parts of the quizzes she answered correctly. Which one lists them in order from least to greatest? All right, so I'm going to do... First, I'm going to convert all these to decimals. And if you haven't memorized them, then you have to do long division, or I let you use a calculator. So we've got 4 divided by 5 on your calculator, 0.8. 5 divided by 11, long division, or on your calculator, is 0.45. And that repeats. 3 divided by 7, 0.428, or 9, really, if we round up. And then 7/9 I've memorized is 0.7 repeating. And now I'm going to make them, I've lined them up, right, already on my paper. So now I'm going to make them all have the same amount of decimals, even though it doesn't really matter. But like, I know this is going to repeat. I know that's repeating, and I know there's zeros after this. And then I'm going to do that uncover method where I go one number at a time. So this I can't tell which is the smallest. When I go to my 10th digit, the 2 4s are the smallest. Then I go to the next digit to tell that the 2 is smaller than 4. So 3/7 is my smallest, so I know it's not B. Okay, now I got to go to 5/11 comes next because it's a 4, right? So I'm basically putting them in order. This is going to be the smallest, then this one, then the 0.7, then the 0.8. So 3/7, then 5/11. So can't be that one, and can't be that one. So I just looked at the first 2 that were in order. All right, question 2 looked like this, which is in following in order least to greatest. I'm going to turn them all into decimals and line them up. 0.3 repeating, 0.31 or 3100ths because I went back 2 places. This one is already a decimal form. And then 3/10. 3/10. If you want to make them have the same, that's going to be a 3 and that's going to be a 0 because this repeats and this ends, right? So that's a 0. All right, now this is easy to compare them. The smallest number is it 30, 31, 33, and 35. That's what I'm looking at. And the 30 is the smallest, so I definitely need that one to go first. Second, third, and fourth. So 3/10 needs to go first. And then 31% needs to go next. Oh, both of them have that, right? And then 3 repeating, 1/3, and then 0.35. All right, next question. Least to greatest again, line them up, guys. 0.66, 0.62, 0.6, and 6/11, 0.54 repeating. Make them have the same if that helps. This will be a 0. Least to greatest again, that's going to come first because it's a 6. Oh, no, wait, I lied. The 54 will come first, right? 5 is less than 6. Then 60, then 62, and then 66. So I'm just looking at the numbers right in order. It doesn't matter what comes after them unless I need it to see which one is bigger or smaller. So 5400ths is 6/11 comes first, so it can't be A or B. 6/10 comes next, so I already know that it's C. Greatest to least. I'm gonna go off of this order. So like this is 0.6 repeating, 0.4. Oh, 1/5. If you haven't memorized that, you need to do long division, and then 0.25. All right, so my greatest would be 0.6, then 0.4, then this has